Hi. Gosh, I haven't even had my coffee yet, but here we go. I'm so excited to tell you about something I have coming on my YouTube channel. It's a 21-day series on how to have your own home yoga practice. But really, it's so much more than that. It's how to deepen your yoga practice or how to continue on your yoga journey. These lessons can be applied to more than just yoga, they can be applied to life. So I hope you'll find some value in them, whether you're starting a home yoga practice or you already have one. This is just season one. When I started making these videos, I intended for it to be a one and done, a few videos that I put together, sharing my direct experience, no script, just speaking from my heart. And as I reviewed them and put them together, and I'm about to schedule and upload them now, I just think there's more to be said. There's more to be shared about how yoga can integrate into your life, because yoga is more than just a physical practice, and you'll learn that in this series, but it's a way of self-discovery. And when we discover ourselves, we can heal ourselves. So a yoga practice can help you regulate your nervous system. When you regulate your nervous system, you have some clarity and you can make decisions with that clarity. Yoga is more, so much more than an exercise or stretching program, but I really want you to experience it for yourself. As you watch these videos, if you have questions, please ask them. If there's something you want to see in season 2, let me know. And if there's anything you disagree with, that's okay. These videos were never made to be dogmatic, to be, here's what you have to do. This is one perspective, my point of view from a home yoga practice of over a decade long that helped me regulate my nervous system. It helped me find my path and my passion. And it helped me heal myself, my past traumas, my disconnection from self. Let me know if you have any questions, that there's any support I can offer you along the way. I'm a friend on the journey. I have some credentials in yoga teaching and yoga therapy, but really I'm just a friend, maybe perhaps a little further on the yoga path to where I can extend my hand out and guide you along the way. Thanks for being here. I'm so glad, and I can't wait.